one river to a sea. Yalla. The unmissable party is about to begin. But I know some. But I see some oldies but goodies. I know some of those people over there. This is not my beach. It's not my beach. It's
working out people.
the working out one, not the gay one, but this is the working out beach. They all look the same. They all look the same. Sound, no music, or maybe someone has a speaker. Not that. Usually she gets one. We're taking it to the beach for a little bit, but tonight is actually the beginning of a sad holiday called Tisha B'Av. So you're not supposed to swim. I'll get more into detail about that, but first I gotta find where the girls went. Yeah, they did it. Yeah, on the down low. The sexy bottle open girl. Yeah. We figured we got that down pat. Beseder. S&M bartender just saved the day. Yes, yes. Who has one of those? But I do. Anyway, I'll thank him after. It's Tisha B'Av. Things are coming in quick now. Oh my God. I'm so lost. Once a year. Oh, sorry. I'm being creative. So that was. Hopefully. Wow, 24 hours ago, I was looking at the Hudson River. Wow. רגע, זה נוף שלי, פתאום. למה ככה? שבי ביחד, שבי. אויפה. I think I was just hit on, but I'm like kind of ignoring, like that's not what I'm looking for. Yeah. So there's a silver lining. What an awesome, fun day. Danya, Nanushka, wherever you are, I hope you're enjoying the sunset. You're somewhere on the sea. I think you're seeing this. Anyway, it's like a ritual. We all do it together. Yeah. Beautiful Amir, and the sun is coming in on a Shabbat Tisha B'Av. This is like mourning the destruction of the Second Temple. It's heavy. It's back from the States, and you're a little jet lagged, and your friend is named Alexa, and you just feel it's just weird. Like, Alexa, where are you, Alexa? The time, Alexa. So I hope she comes soon, because I just got a l'chaim right here.